A very quick notice before you start the journey of your dashboard creation. If you work for your client or you work for your boss and you're actually transferring the very file or the dashboard you actually have used to work for your boss or your client to him or her, so there is something you always have to put into consideration and actually let him or her know about it. Now, let's say you develop a particular dashboard and you have actually used external source, and every single thing you have done is actually relying on your own system. So we have what we call path, which is very important you should know about. So now I'm going to go right here on this query and connection because we have this particular data connected somewhere else. So now we have over, I think we have 1 million rows of data right here. So when I click on it, you can see the error message we have displayed. But right now we can't really understand what the error message is all about until we click on edit right here. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to go on edit and go to Power Query. So welcome to Power Query environment. So this is where it is. So this is where we have our error right in. And for we to know exactly the particular place we have the error right now, so we just have to click right here, go to error. So definitely, if you have every single dashboard actually downloaded from this particular, course, you would encounter this error. So this is how to save yourself the tons of like, what the heck is going on? It's not working for me. It's going to work for you if you pay attention. This happens as well in Power BI. So it's happening right here in Excel because we connected to external data whatsoever. Maybe we developed this in another system or something happened, we change a particular file name, so it's going to have an effect right on this particular, a very bad effect indeed. So once we have actually located where the error is actually happening right now, so the error starts from the source right here, and this is exactly what it is. Now I'm going to click right here, and now what's going on right here is that this file, the path has changed, so we have to change according to the path that actually changed to it. So now I'm going to assume that we developed this in a new system, and we are in another system, and we're bringing it into a new system as the owner of the dashboard, so we've been given. So we have to change the part of our system to actually correlate with the one given to us right now. So how do we get the part right? So let's go ahead and get it. So to get the part, I can actually go to where I have the file right in. So now this is the file. This is where I have the file right in. So you have to choose the correct one. So the correct one is actually going to be this one right here where we say sales dashboard, all that. So once you've clicked on that sales dashboard, make sure you have it hovered and click on it. Make sure it's the one you've clicked on. Don't open it. Just go to where we have part. And you can see copy the part of the selected items to the clipboard. So now to copy to the clipboard, you just have to go and actually click on it and all of that. So we have just copied. The next thing we're going to do right now is just for you to go all the way down and locate where we have our notepad on. So Ctrl V will help us to paste it and all of that. So I'm going to remove this particular quotation we have right in it. So I'm going to go right here and remove this particular double quotation we have right here as well. I have it removed, and the next thing I'm going to do right now is just for me to copy every single thing we have right here. I'm going to copy it. Once I have it copied, we are about to solve the whole problem we have. So go back right to this particular, our Power Query aspect right here. And now one thing you have to actually put your eye on right now, we have this particular double quotation we have removed previously from there. So we have it right here. So from that particular after double quotation, start highlighting down to this particular level. And make sure you end it right here in between this particular double quotation right here. Look at what we've done. So we started it after the double quotation we have right here, and we ended it before the double quotation that closes it, right? So once we have just done our highlight just like this, what we need to do, we have to paste the one we just copied right here. I'm going to Ctrl V and have it pasted. I bet you the problem had been solved. So if you do not understand what just actually went on right here, you have to watch this over and over again until you get it, because if you're actually working for a client, you have to make a short video to explain to him or her how to actually update the data. Else, if you try as much as you can to actually, refresh the data, it's not going to actually update when you have any data coming. So now we have just solved this problem. So if you actually use Power BI as well, this can actually go along with Power BI. You have to change the part every single thing. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit enter right here. And once I have enter hit, so what's going to happen right now is that it's just going to actually open our table for us, right? So we have no more errors. So we can actually come back right here. There is no error. Everything is fine. Every single thing we need to actually have right now is cool. So we have everything okay. So now I'm going to go right here and say close and load, and let's see what's going to happen. It's going to take a little while to actually have itself loaded right here, because we have like 1 million rows of data right here, very huge amount of data. So let us just give it some time. Okay, we are almost there. So completely we have actually loaded back every single thing, so it has been updated. So if we come and hover over it right now, that particular error message displayed there time had been gone we have our data. So we can now refresh when we have new data. It's exactly what I want to show you guys. So beautifully, make sure you pay attention to every single thing I'm going to teach you. When you follow every single thing I'm going to teach you, you will be very good and awesome at creating dashboard without errors and all of that. So see you in the next weeks. We have to actually follow and actually create awesome dashboard, guys. So let's go right there.